All right, here we go. Flashback number 8. I'm working on getting it started in this video. Turns out to be really good. Just keep watch, and it's got a couple surprises. All right, so got it jacked up. I got 2 jack stands underneath it, a jack on this side, and my jack over there. And because it's humid as hell, because of these clouds, and the fact that it's rained a mile down the street, but not here, so it's humid. But I'm gonna get up underneath here and I'm gonna try to play around with this a little bit and see what we can see. Move my dog out the way. Move. All right. Yeah. Valves are hard to get to, but I'm trying to see if I can see anything on them. Maybe a make or whatever. I know I've got a lot of cleaning up to do under this thing, but I'm going to drop the tank because I want to hear this thing run. I know everybody else wants to hear this thing run, so that's actually what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to drop the tank. So give me just a little bit and we'll see what it looks like. All right, new fuel pumps in. We're about to start it. All right, go ahead.
Yes. Okay, sorry.
We need to put some new gas in it. Go for it.
I wish they go for a drive, but there's no teeth.
Yeah. Shooting shit at me. Alright, so we now know it runs under its own power. Just needed a fuel pump and of course, disabling the alarm system that was in it. I'm gonna have to get a new alarm, but I still got a shit ton of work to do to this thing to get it drivable. I mean, there's no interior in it right now, and I still got to figure out some of the wiring that's underneath the dash, but it does run. The lights work, everything looks good. Here in just a second, my wife's going to come outside and video. Even though there's no interior, I need to actually move this truck back a little bit. You can see I've got some space I need, and I need to move it. So my wife's about to video me start it up and move it real quick. So let's see what happens.
Yes.
Alright, here's day 2. Started it up again when I got home from work. I didn't get up to operating temperature a little bit. And I can tell you right now, it's quiet. Got a little bit of valve tap. It'll probably go away after a couple of days. Then you get some more oil just to circulate through the system. But yeah, this thing's a gem. It is a gem. I do think I've got a clogged exhaust pipe though. Not 100% clogged, but it's definitely clogged. And that was one big ass fucking spider. Exhaust fumes are making him run off. Nope, can't see him. Oh, by the way, when you drop your gas tank on an airbag truck, when it jacked up a little bit, you can actually slide the tank forward and get to the fuel pump. That way you don't got to take it all the way out from underneath the truck. I do have some electrical problems still to work out, as you can tell from there. And the fact the tachometer is not working. And the rest of the gauges, I don't know if they work or not. So let's turn it off and see if any of them move. Alright, so a couple of them move. Here's the voltmeter. I'm gonna crank it back up. Alright, so oil pressure and coolant temp do work. Just the tachometer's not. I don't know about the speedometer because I can't drive it yet. As you can see why I can't drive it, I haven't finished the interior. Still got to pull the headliner out. I haven't done that yet. Got to take doors apart. You know, still got stuff to do. But so far, so good. And it's running smoothly. Alright, so now that it's running and everything, and I can actually get back to working on some of the other stuff, I've got to get the headliner out because there is mildew and bugs and all sorts of crap and a smell coming from it. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm already taking out one A-pillar, working around the other side. I'm gonna get the headliner out. Tomorrow I will go to the store and get some gray suede and recover it. That's actually what I'm gonna do. So wish me luck.